It's Miss Sorrentino here, and today we're going to do a very great read aloud. The book is called You Get What You Get. Before we start, I want you guys to think, have you ever heard that before? You get what you get? It sounds like something me and Miss Pastilles say a lot. You get what you get and you don't get upset. But this little hamster boy here looks like he's pretty upset. Today we're going to read this book and we're going to learn about kindness and being grateful for what you have. This book is by Julie Gassman and illustrated by Sarah Horn. So, before we start, who do you think the main character is? Yep, you got it. This guy right here. So let's see. To my dad, Amos, you get what you get. And I'm so thankful I got you. So this author is thankful for somebody. Melvin did not deal with disappointment. So I'm guessing the main character's name is Melvin. He didn't deal well with disappointment. So when he didn't get his way, he was not happy. If his cookie had half as many chocolate chips as his sister, look out! Look at his face! What do you think he's gonna do? He's gonna have a little bit of a meltdown. If he lost his turn during a game, stand back! Now I want us to think. Have any of us ever felt like this when things don't go our way? Sometimes. And if he didn't get exactly what he wanted, well, you know. Look at his face. Sorry, Melvin. They were out of dinosaur backpacks. So, Mom feels bad. But Melvin doesn't seem very grateful for getting a robot backpack, does he? No, Melvin did not deal well with disappointment. And this is why he hated his teacher's favorite rule. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, said the teacher. Do we think Melvin throws a fit when he gets mad? I think so. But do you think he should throw a fit, or do you think he should say thank you? Because of this rule, Melvin could not throw a fit if he had to use crayons instead of markers. But how do you think he's feeling here that he had to use crayons instead of markers? He could not throw a fit if he ended up last in line. He couldn't even throw a fit if his napkin was pink instead of green. I want us to think, though. Are these big things that Melvin should be throwing a fit about? Or are these small little problems that he can deal with better? I want you to think, what are some ways Melvin can deal with these? Oh, well, mumbled Melvin. At least I could still throw a fit at home. My family doesn't know a thing about that terrible rule. But is it nice to throw fits at home? But that night, when it was Melvin's turn to choose the movie, things changed. As soon as he'd chosen Dinosaur Rumble, his sister stomped her foot and whined, "But I want to watch a pony called Trouble!" What is his sister doing now? You got it. She's throwing a fit. Do you think Melvin's gonna like that? Do you think he's going to see how it makes others feel? Too bad! You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, said Melvin. Everyone stopped and looked at Melvin. Look at their faces. They're kind of shocked. Why do you think they're shocked? Yeah, because Melvin always throws a fit. What did you say, Dad? You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, repeated Melvin. So, if your cookie only has a few chocolate chips, you shouldn't throw a fit, asked his sister. And if you lose your turn during a game, you shouldn't throw a fit, asked his dad. See, now they're all making Melvin realize what he's been doing. And if the dinosaur backpacks are sold out, you should be happy with the robot one, and you absolutely should not throw a fit, asked his mom. Melvin gulped. He's realizing that they realize he's been throwing fits all the time. There was no way to take it back. Everyone knew. Now his whole family knew the rule. Do you think they're going to be happy when he throws fits? Do you think Melvin's going to change? Well, I mean, at school you shouldn't throw a fit, because that's the rule. But at home you can, he said. Now he's trying to take it back. I think that sounds like a good rule for home too, said Dad. I agree, said Mom. Home and school. That's the rule, his sister chanted. Uh-oh. Melvin's face looks a little worried. Melvin wanted to cry. He wanted to shout. He wanted to lie down on the ground and throw his arms and legs about. That's a fit. Do you think he did it? Let's see. But he didn't. After all, you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. A pony called trouble. In the end, Melvin learned something. You should be extremely grateful for all the things that you have. If moms, dads, brothers, sisters, cousins, grandmas, grandpas do something for you, you should say thank you. Sometimes we all get disappointed and frustrated, but we have to learn as second graders to deal with things. We have to say thanks, Mom, even if she makes something we don't really like for dinner. Or if our friend makes us a card and it's not the fanciest, you just say, oh my God, I love it, and be so grateful that people are thinking about you to do things for you, like give you a cookie or buy you a robot backpack. All right, boys and girls, I have something for you now. I want you to think of a time that maybe you threw a fit or were disappointed when something happened. I want you to think about it and say, thanks to that person. Say, I'm sorry I threw that fit, Mom or Dad. I was so grateful you made chicken for dinner. All right, boys and girls, I love you. I'll see you soon. I hope you have a great weekend.